Hello TNM squad, welcome back to another video. So today I just want to show you this my favorite snack, as in I love this fruit salad so much, and I just decide, okay, when next I'm making, I will love to share, and today is that day. Okay, so like you've already seen the fruit I'm using, these are just the fruit I love, fruit I will not even play with. Okay, so you can go ahead and use any fruits that you love. Who doesn't like banana, please? Who doesn't? So another trick on this is the way you cut it. You want to cut it in a very small form so that you will like bite size, so that when you scoop, you have to scoop everything at a time. And this coconut, see, I was going for that smaller size, but the grater, the thing was just stressing me out, so I went ahead and used my plantain slicer and just give it another shape. So yeah, I'm using Tito yogurt. This is like my go-to yogurt. I love Tito yogurt. If I'm not drinking Tito yogurt, I'm actually drinking Hollandia yogurt. Okay, so I'm not using Hollandia yogurt for this. Tito yogurt is thick enough to give it the consistency that I need. Okay, so what you want to do is just to go ahead and put all of those goodness, all of those delicious fruits that you've chopped, you want to put them in a bowl. Like you can see, my banana is, though it's small banana, okay, those small native banana, that's what I bought, because like it doesn't have this sugary sweetness in it, unlike those normal big banana or Igbo banana like people call it. Those ones are very, very sweet, like it's too sweet for me, so I usually go for this native banana and it comes out really nice. Okay, I don't really want it to be too sugary, I just want to have a good balance of this. Okay, so I went ahead and add the coconuts, both the grated one and the sliced one, and everything was looking so colorful and delicious. You can see for yourself now. So watermelon is like a go-to, because watermelon add this moisture, like it gives you this sweetness and not the sugary kind of sweetness. You know what I mean, guys? So you just want to give this a good mix. Trust me, as it is, you can just serve and enjoy, but you won't enjoy it as much as you will enjoy adding full cream. Guys, I use peak milk. Okay, so you want to add full cream, like add it to your taste or how you want it. So you can see I added 3 spoonful. Okay, so you want to go ahead and give this a good mix, and then you want to add your yogurt. So this yogurt is the deal, is the creamer, is the reason why we call this creamy salad. Okay, creamy fruit salad. So yeah, I'm adding my yogurt. I have just half of the keg, it wasn't really a full can, so I'm just going to add all of them, but I'm adding gradually because I want to mix the first batch and then add more so that everything can get well incorporated in there. So you can see I'm adding the other half, of which I'm still remaining a little. So you just want to give this a good mix, like mix this. You can even see how good it looks already. So yeah, this tastes really amazing. This is something that when you give to your kids, or even when you try it for the first time, you are not going to eat your fruit any other way. This will be like your only way to eat fruits, because it's so nice, it's healthy, it's delicious. Okay, like I mentioned, you don't need to use grape, you don't need to use the fruit of choice like I did. Go ahead and use your favorite fruit. Okay, just use whatever that comes to mind. You can even use pineapple, you can use any fruit of your choice. Okay, but these are my favorite, these are what I have at home, or yeah, these are my favorite, like what I easily buy, so that's why I'm using them. So you can see how creamy this is coming out. You can see how good it's look. So you may just want to put it back in your freezer, like in your fridge, get it really cold. But for me, this is cold because I put my fruits in the fridge. Like, I brought them out from the fridge before dicing them. My yogurt was from the fridge, so everything is actually cold in that bowl and it's just ready to be eaten. So you can go ahead and put it in the fridge. That's if your fruit wasn't cold before or you still want to keep it. So now I'm just going to serve the one I'm giving to my client, which is a cup, and I'm still going to serve a bowl. Okay, so yeah, this is one good business that you can venture into. This is a business that you don't even need stress. Okay, so you can actually just take a contract and serve this at a wedding, birthdays, whatever event it is, and it's a very clean business. Dice your fruit in bowls, take it to the events. When you get there, mix all your stuff. You can add ice to your fruit just to keep it very cold, and when you get there, serve and use those small fancy cups to serve to the customers or to the guests. Yeah, it's really, really nice. Another thing you can do, optional, you can, if you have your granola at home, maybe you have homemade granola or you have this store-bought granola, go ahead and add some granola to this. That will even make it more heavy, like make it a whole meal. It's not even going to be snack anymore. It's going to be a whole meal. Okay, for this one, I added peanuts in a small pack for the customers. Okay, so they are just going to, it's their choice, like it's optional, but I'm adding it because it's how I sell. So I'm adding the peanuts so they can just decide if they want to use the peanut. But trust me, eating this with peanut is bomb. Like, you are going to be on cloud nine. It's so good. Okay, so here's the bigger bowl, and that is the cup, and this is the one I'm serving at home, so everybody is happy, and this is really nice. Okay, so like I said before, I'm serving this with peanuts. This makes it a whole meal. Now you are not only eating it as snack anymore, you're adding protein, and this makes it a whole meal. So guys, let me know if you'll be trying this, and please, if you do, leave me a comment. Let me know how you like it. The coconut gives it this transformation. It makes it taste very unique. You want to add that, you want to give it a try. No matter the fruit you are using, please try and add coconut. Coconut is really, really nice. It gives it a very good outcome and taste. Okay, so yeah, this is what it is. I also went ahead to add some pictures, so you can just screenshot this picture, post on your WhatsApp, post on anywhere, and get your customers to order for it. It's really nice. I'm sure when they order for the first time, they are going to order again. So like I mentioned, I use full cream milk. You can also go and use filled, you can use low fat milk, whatever milk you like. That's on your own, that's your choice. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, leave me a thumbs up, comment, share, and if you haven't subscribed by now, please click on the subscribe button, the bell beside it, and then you'll be notified whenever I have any unique and good video like this. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire